Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Facebook active status. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And from here, just head over to your settings and privacy drop down and head over to settings. And in here you can search for your activity status, and if you can't find it, you can also search it from the search icon on the top right. As you can see in the audience and visibility section, the active status is in the bottom just under the blocking section. So here it says that when your friends and connections can see when you are active or were recently active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. To change these settings, turn it off whenever you are using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So what we need to do is just to turn the switch off, and here it says turn off active status, and you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, have recently been active, or are in a chat with you. So just turn it off, and yeah, this is how you can just turn off Facebook active status. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.